and that's spirulina powder. And there's your green, there's your veggies. So it goes very well in smoothies and what are called green juices. And what is this spirulina? It's really blue-green algae. I talked about that initially, that those algae are very rich sources of nutrients. It's rich in iodine and B vitamins and iron for blood and all of those minerals that are needed. You heard me say in previous videos, the body is really made of 84 minerals. People are like plants, and plants need mineral-dense soils, and you need minerals for the functional integrity of our organs, tissues, and cells. And the spirulina is a rich source of a lot of those minerals in a bioavailable form for all kinds of chemistry, body chemistries. And along with the protein, iron, B vitamins, it's a mineral-dense food. And it really boosts the immunity, it improves muscle strength, and it really provides a lot of anti-inflammatory benefits. A lot of people's health issues have to do with inflammation. You know, there are several factors that contribute to disease, and infection and inflammation contributes to the broad spectrum of diseases. And something like spirulina really helps to mitigate or lessen those anti-inflammatory effects. It has a very distinct taste, and as I said, it's best added to smoothies or green drinks. You can add it with pineapple juice or even tomato juice or even just plain water a lot of times, or apple juice. But it's an excellent boost to your dietary regimen. So now that you know about these amazing superfoods, how can you easily add them to your diet?